Hello everybody, now we are going to solve problem number 5.47 from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku 6th edition. So this problem is for a difference amplifier. So we need to find out this V0 for the given voltages V1 and V2 as 1 volt and 2 volts respectively. So this is a difference amplifier, so we know the formula for this. We know that is the output voltage is equal to R2 multiplied by 1 plus R1 by R2 divided by R1 into 1 plus R3 divided by R4 multiplied by V2 minus R2 by R1 into V1. So here we should know what are the resistor values given here, as this is R1 and this is R3 and this is RK. So if you just substitute all the values here, then we'll get the output, right? So what is R2? R2 is 30 divided by this R1 is 2 kilo ohm multiplied by this 1 plus R1 by R2. R1 is 2 divided by R2 is 30, then divided by 1 plus R3 by R4. So 1 plus R3 value is 2 divided by R2 is 20. Whole multiplied by this V2. V2 is 2 volts minus what is R2 here? R2 is 30 divided by 2 multiplied by V1 is that 1 volts. 2 to get cancelled, you get this as 30 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 15 divided by 1 plus 1 by 10 minus 15. So this is equal to 30 multiplied by, so 1 by 15 is 0.066 divided by 1 plus this is 0.1, right, minus 15. So this is equal to 30 multiplied by 1.066 divided by 1.1 minus 15. So this is equal to 30 multiplied by 0.97 minus 15. So this is equal to 29.07 minus 15. So we get this answer as 14.07 volts. So what is the answer? So this output voltage V0 is equal to 14.07 volts. Thank you. Hope you have understood. This is your answer.